Hi there. Welcome to a new episode of An Ordinary Review with PJ. How many of you are following up on Alexei Navalny's case, the Russian opposition leader who was poisoned in Serbia and is now fighting for his life in Germany? The German doctors have declared that he was possibly poisoned by Novichok nerve agent, which was developed during the Soviet era, and the Russians have been using it to eliminate their opposition leaders, activists, and even their spies, the double agents who are residing in other countries. A similar incident had happened in March of 2018 in Salisbury, England, where a Russian double agent, Sergei Skripal, and his daughter Yulia were supposedly poisoned using Novichok. And they barely survived. They were months in hospital and eventually recovered from the poisoning. During that time, one of the cops who was investigating the case also got infected. He went to the Skripal's house, touched the door possibly where the poison was, and gets infected, and he also barely survives. He's also in the hospital for months. And unfortunately, there is another couple that gets infected. There is a lady, Dawn Struges, who along with her boyfriend are moving into their new house, and they're looking for cheap furniture discarded by people around the garbage bin. And while going through the bin, the boyfriend finds a perfume bottle. He thinks it's a perfume, so he kind of gives it to his girlfriend, who applies it on her wrist, and it's unfortunately the Novichok agent, and she's taken seriously ill. She does not survive, she dies. Boyfriend luckily survives, and this led to a big diplomatic flare-up between Britain and Russia. So what the series actually talks about, the deadly impact of this nerve agent. Apparently a small drop can actually kill thousands of people. It can be spread through air, it can be spread through water, it can be left on anything in the house, door, table, or anything, and if you touch it, even a mild touch on that poison can actually infect you and fatally kill you. So something that is quite unnerving, because this is the kind of chemical warfare that some other countries are capable of doing. I recommend to watch this to get to know what this nerve agent is all about and how it can be quite deadly if not discovered early, or or how chemical warfare can actually impact a community. It's available on Netflix. It's called The Salisbury Poisoning. Happy watching. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. I look forward to bringing more reviews to you of the series and the movies that I see which I find interesting. Till then, bye bye.